Hello, my name is Brianna Shively, and I will be demonstrating the website and app called Bottle Learning. It is a math website and app that can be used through kindergarten to sixth grade, and you can use it on a laptop, Chromebook, and you can also use it on an iPad, which is really awesome. You use it on a variety of devices, and this is what the app looks like. This is what the app looks like up here, and this is the landing page for when you type in bottlelearning.com. So that's BODDLE. So this is your landing page. You can sign up for free. It is a free app and a free website. So you can sign up as a teacher or a parent, and you can also just play the game and see how it works. So I can show you how to sign up for free as a teacher. I am a teacher. It's going to have you sign in with your information, use your Google, or if you have Clever, if your district has Clever. My district has Clever, so I would use my Clever. How you hear about us, and it will also ask for your school. So if your school has adopted Bottle Learning, or a teacher is already using it in your building, will probably show up. So let me show you what it looks like when you get to the teacher page. So this is your teacher landing page. So I want you to create a classroom. So you're going to add a new classroom. And once you log in, it'll ask you to create your classroom. So it'll ask you for your name. You can import from Clever or from Google Classroom, whatever software you use. And you can type your name, so second grade. And it's going to ask like what grade you teach and what standards or that you follow. So create. It's going to ask you to add students. So you can add students. So we're going to use this one. So you're going to add a student. So we can say you can create student accounts for your students. Your students can create their own account, or you can import. So I'll just create my own, and we will do Bob Wilson, or it'll only ask for their last initial. And then next step, so it's going to generate their username and their password here. And then you're going to be able to see it. So we've added our students. Now it's time to play the game. So you can also link their parent email, which is really awesome. So that way they are able to play this math game also at home. So it can extend the learning from school to their home. So you can do different times. You can do email instructions parents. You can download shareable PDFs, or they have printable login cards. Your students can go to this website right here, and they're going to click on this orange play the game. So you're going to say got it, and then it's going to pop up here. So I already have set up one right here, and it's going to look like this. So the students can play multiple different types of games depending on what grade level they're at. Maybe you could differentiate it if the student is really low in math and they may need to go down to some first grade skills just to re-up their learning. So this is what it looks like. This is their bottle. And they can earn points. There's a shop, there's an arcade, there's Quest, a wardrobe, and a home. It also tells them what grade level they're at and what standard it's following. So you hit the green play button. So it's going to ask some questions. So like, how long is the hot dog in centimeters and inches? So it is going to, and it also reads it to them too.
How long is the hot dog in centimeters and inches?
And there's also this awesome feature where it says, I don't know this yet. So they're able to, without having to ask a peer or their teacher and maybe feel a little insecure, they can hit this. So they're going to look at this and they're going to read it again in centimeters and in inches. So let's see, about 24 and about 9. So they click it, and then they're able to score a point, which is really awesome. And it gives them these points, and it just keeps asking them questions based on what standards they follow and what they're learning in their math class. So how long is this in pencil in centimeters and inches? So So what's really cool about this is that you can look at their live feed, what is going on over here, and you can also do their assignments. So you can add a new assignment or a skill. So you would select the student, next step, and you would pick what they would want to do. So it goes based off standards, which is really awesome if your district follows that, and it has the different umbrellas of learning that they're learning: geometry, measurement, data, number and operations, base 10, operations, algebraic thinking. This is just a really great app and website for your students to be able to really hone in on their skills and become better mathematicians.